In this video, we show you the smooth workflow between BIM Plus and Microsoft Excel. After downloading and installing the Microsoft Excel add-in in the BIM Plus dashboard, BIM Plus is displayed in the Excel menu bar. Log into BIM Plus. Select the appropriate team and open the project. You can now use the Import Objects menu to select the objects you want to edit in Excel. Click to start the BIM Explorer to identify the Excel entries in the model. In this example, we will only edit walls with a wall thickness of 25 centimeters. Filter and isolate them in the BIM Explorer. To do this, activate the appropriate filters and highlight the objects. The Object Navigator and Excel are interactive. Objects and rows in the table are activated simultaneously. In Excel, now filter all walls with a wall thickness of 25. And assign the material concrete to these elements. Then set the verification state in Excel to Reviewed. Now save all changes in BIM Plus with a click on the button Save All Worksheets. Other project members can now check the verification state in BIM Explorer. To do this, the Object Navigator is started, the discipline is selected, as well as the predefined filter that groups the objects according to verification state. The checked objects can be highlighted with one click. The attribute changes are now traceable in the Object Detail window. In this video, we show you how to export parts of the model as an ifc.4 file. Click on the menu item Projects in the BIM Plus dashboard. Select the appropriate team from the pull-down menu and activate the project. Click to switch to the BIM Plus app Export Manager. Activate the required model and turn off all disciplines you do not want to export. In the Typology section, you can refine the selection. Then click on the Export button to generate the ifc.4 file. Enter the file name and confirm the dialog. After the successful export, the file can be downloaded directly by the link in the message. Alternatively, you can switch to the BIM Plus dashboard and download the IFC file from the Documents menu.